Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell Inspiron 3482 laptop driver. So guys, first you have to come this site www.dell.com, this official website. Okay, so you need support, driver, BIOS, any kind of you can. Then click to support and then click driver. Okay, so this is search box. If you know the model number, if you know that your laptop service tag means serial number, so you can enter it. Otherwise, product key or models, laptop model number. Okay. So if you find what is your serial number, so this is easy step is click to start, type CMD, right click to run as administrator, and then click yes. After that, enter this command. This is your laptop serial number. Okay. So enter serial number and command in this. After that, click to search. So this is automatic and this is specific. You are facing some issues and particularly you install only one driver. So that's mean this find specific driver. So this is your laptop now. Slow down. This is all required driver. Okay. BIOS also there, chipset driver, network. So this is a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth driver. Okay, included. So click to download. After that, it will start downloading like this. 100 MB size of this driver. Then it is completed. Just single click to open. Then click to yes. Then click install. Select the languages. Same it is installed and then restart your system.